What if you could immerse yourself in a world of pure, unadulterated sound, where every note, every beat, and every melody comes alive with breathtaking clarity and precision? You won't believe the transformative power of the Yamaha R-N800A Network Receiver with phono and built-in DAC, a game-changing audio solution that redefines the boundaries of sound quality and reimagines the very fabric of your listening experience. For far too long, music lovers have been forced to compromise on sound quality, settling for subpar audio equipment that fails to deliver the full richness and depth of their favorite tunes. The problem is twofold. On one hand, many receivers and amplifiers on the market struggle to accurately reproduce the nuances of high-resolution sound sources, resulting in a lackluster listening experience that fails to engage and inspire. On the other hand, the proliferation of streaming services and digital music platforms has created a new set of challenges, as listeners must navigate a complex landscape of compressed audio files, inferior DACs, and suboptimal playback settings. But what if you could bypass these limitations altogether and indulge in a world of pristine, high-fidelity sound that transports you to a realm of unbridled sonic bliss? This is precisely what the Yamaha R-N800A promises to deliver. And from the moment you unbox this stunning receiver, you'll be struck by its premium build quality, sleek aesthetic appeal, and the unmistakable feel of a product that's been crafted with precision and passion. The black finish is sleek and sophisticated, exuding a sense of understated elegance that belies the cutting-edge technology lurking beneath the surface. As you power it up for the first time, you'll be greeted by a user interface that's at once intuitive and feature-rich, inviting you to explore the vast array of possibilities that this incredible receiver has to offer. Delving deeper into the Yamaha R-N800A's impressive feature set, it becomes clear that this is a product that's been designed with the most discerning audiophiles in mind. The SABRE ES9080Q Ultra DAC, for example, is a masterpiece of modern engineering, boasting a superior signal-to-noise ratio that enables the receiver to extract even the subtlest nuances from your music collection. But what does this mean in practical terms? Simply put, the ES9080Q DAC is capable of resolving the finest details in your music, from the delicate decay of a piano note to the subtlest vibrato of a jazz singer's voice. This is sound quality that's not just accurate, but deeply immersive, drawing you into the heart of the music and refusing to let go. Another key benefit of a Yamaha R-N800A is its YPAO-R.S.C and precision EQ, which work in tandem to create an ideal listening environment that's tailored to your unique acoustic space. This is achieved through a sophisticated calibration process that takes into account the specific characteristics of your room, from the placement of your speakers to the absorptive properties of your walls and furniture. The result is a soundstage that's at once expansive and precisely focused, with each instrument and vocal element occupying its own distinct sonic space. Whether you're listening to a sprawling orchestral epic or an intimate jazz trio, the Yamaha R-N800A's YPAO-R.S.C and precision EQ ensure that every element is rendered with breathtaking clarity and precision. The receiver's high-performance USB DAC function is another major highlight, supporting DSD 11.2 MHz native playback and 384 kHz playback with ease. This means that you can enjoy your high-resolution music collection with unparalleled fidelity, whether you're streaming from a local server or playing back files from a USB drive. But what's truly remarkable about the Yamaha R-N800A's USB DAC is its ability to handle even the most demanding audio formats with ease, from the intricate complexities of classical music to the dense, layered soundscapes of modern electronic music. In addition to its impressive digital capabilities, the Yamaha R-N800A also features phono input terminals, allowing you to connect your turntable and indulge in the warm, rich sound of vinyl. This is a feature that's sure to delight analog enthusiasts, who will appreciate the receiver's ability to extract every last detail from their beloved record collection. Whether you're listening to a rare vintage pressing or a brand new release, the Yamaha R-N800A's phono stage is designed to deliver the full, unbridled majesty of the vinyl experience. But how does the Yamaha R-N800A perform in real-world testing? To find out, I put the receiver through its paces in a challenging listening scenario, pairing it with a high-end pair of speakers and a selection of demanding audio tracks. The results were nothing short of astonishing, with the receiver delivering a sound that was at once powerful, nuanced, and deeply immersive. From the opening notes of a complex classical piece to the driving rhythms of a modern rock track, the Yamaha R-N800A proved itself to be a receiver that's capable of handling even the most demanding audio material with ease. And with its robust build quality and impressive feature set, it's clear that this is a product that's designed to deliver years of faithful service, with a durability and reliability that's unmatched in its class. So what are the pros and cons of the Yamaha R-N800A? On the plus side, this receiver offers a level of sound quality that's simply unmatched in its class, with a level of detail, nuance, and immersion that's sure to leave even the most discerning audiophiles breathless. Additionally, its impressive feature set and robust build quality make it a product that's designed to deliver years of faithful service, with a durability and reliability that's unmatched in its class. And with its sleek, sophisticated design, the Yamaha R-N800A is sure to be a stylish addition to any home audio system. If I'm being picky, one minor con is that the receiver's user interface can be a bit complex, particularly for those who are new to high-end audio equipment. However, this is a minor quibble, and one that's easily overcome with a bit of practice and familiarity. So how does the Yamaha R-N800A compare to its competitors? In short, it dominates the field, offering a level of sound quality, features, and build quality that's simply unmatched by other receivers in its class. Whether you're looking for a product that can handle the demands of high-resolution audio, or simply want a receiver that can deliver a great-sounding music experience, the Yamaha R-N800A is the clear choice. With its impressive technical specifications, robust build quality, and stunning sound quality, it's a product that's sure to leave even the most discerning audiophiles impressed. In conclusion, the Yamaha R-N800A Network Receiver with phono and built-in DAC is a game-changing audio solution that's sure to revolutionize the way you experience music. With its stunning sound